Hey, little artist! Welcome back to our channel, Mr. Book and Me.
Today, a special guest is joining us. Colorful mother hen with her chicks.
I'm so happy to be here, and a lot to share with you.
Let's start drawing our mother hen. First, we'll draw her head.
Ho-ho!
Draw nice big round eyes.
My eyes help me spot tasty treats like worms and seeds. Hey!
Draw a small beak.
Perfect for clucking to call my chicks.
Draw the comb.
My comb keeps me cool. Haha!
Draw the body. Add some feathers for fluffiness.
My feathers keep me warm and protect me from the weather.
Draw the wings.
Even though I don't fly much, my wings help me flutter around. Ho-ho!
Draw the tail feathers.
Ho! My tail helps me with balance, and it's fun to wiggle when I'm happy. Oh-ho!
Time to draw the thigh, foot, and sharp claws.
I use my feet to dig in the soil and find yummy food. Aww!
Amazingly, draw the cracked egg with the baby chicks peeking out.
Aha! Oh, look at my little babies. They just hatched, ready to explore the world. Hey!
Finally, add some green grass and colorful flowers.
Haha! Perfect! This looks just like the farm where we live.
Draw the lines darker to make the hens stand out. Color hen and chicks with bright, cheerful colors.
Red color comb. Pink color baby chick. Colorful eggshell. Yellow color baby chick.
Where do you live?
I live on a farm with lots of other hens. Yellowhead. I love pecking around for seeds.
Aha!
Orange. Multicolor body and wings. Green. Peacock blue. Blue.
Indigo.
Violet. Pink. Red. Yellow. Green grass and pink flower.
Great job, kid! You've drawn a mother hen and her colorful chicks.
You've all done a wonderful job. Keep practicing on kids.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun art adventures. See you next time!